so welcome back to my channel again. Today's video I'm gonna be unboxing this portable trimmer, paper trimmer. So I have never used it before, so I was like doing crafts, and I mean that I was making crafts, and the one thing is problem that I for the centimeter of the paper. So that's why I thought to bought this, and I bought it just about like 1 day ago, so I don't make the video yet. So let's get started. Before wasting any time, go on the video. If you are new on my channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So without wasting any time, let's go to the video. Okay, so the thing, we're gonna be opening this up from here. At the back side you can see the things over here, which is so cool. And 3, 2, 1. So we got this over here. So now I'm gonna try this. It opened like this, and it was slider a bit. I'm not gonna touch it because it maybe hurt my hand. So let's start out with a paper. So I take the blue paper, same as this one. So I'm gonna just put it like this, and this is a very useful thing. So I don't really know how to use it. I think they're gonna put it like that, and I'm gonna cut out for 10 centimeters square. Oh my god, this is so cool. You can see that it got out to be the same as a 10 centimeter square. Now I think so I'm gonna cut it like, you can cut it on the any way you want. Okay, so now let me see if I can get this thing like that. I'm gonna cut it from here. Okay, so I'm gonna put the slider back over here, and I'm gonna cut it like that. So I'm gonna cut it to 17 centimeters. Oh my gosh, guys, this is so cool ornament, and it is very helpful for using the centimeters, and it's very useful for the one who make craft. Like my favorite YouTuber is Tony Art and Craft. Like you can use it for crafts, paper crafts. I made more crafts. I will show you in my next video. So if you like this cool portable paper trimmer, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.